Hello students, and we have the third live class on data handling. Del down, del, drop and pop. Deleting a column.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll do both of them one by one. All right. So first thing what we'll do is first we'll start with del. So del, what it does, it simply deletes a column by passing the column name in the subscript with df. So what do you mean by that? That is same way, the way you have written it at the top. How have you written df? And then do you see you've opened a square bracket, double quotes, and then you have written.
Yeah.
Same way, just in front of df list 3, I mean double quotes 3, you just have to write del. That's all.
Okay.
That's such a simple command. So we'll write it del.
Okay, ma'am. So it's in square brackets, right? Del.
Yes. First you'll write del. Del will be normal. Normal del. Del. Then df space df square bracket quotes list 3. Yeah, and below what will you write? df, just the simple df below. Now run. Oh, can you run the above command? Like run whole program. Yeah, it's actually today we are starting new one, no? So that's why. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Run all.
Okay.
Run all. Okay, in the cell also there's one option run all. Directly also you can do if you want. All right.
Oh, where is it, ma'am?
Yes. Click on cell. Huh.
Yeah.
See, run all.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so it will run all together. Oh, which one it's not able to get? The same it's not able to get.
Oh, the list, ma'am.
List. Check the list then.
Ma'am, it has to be
list 3. It is list 3, not list. It is list 3. That's why it's not able to recognize. Now run.
Yeah, it's gone.
See. Can you see the last column which was there in line number 22, I guess. List 3. See? 21.
Yeah.
See? There was a list 3, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That is deleted. Go down. Can you see? Only list 1 and list 2 is available.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this was the first delete function. Okay.
Yes.
Now the second one. Same thing. That is pop.
Yeah.
What does a pop do? It again deletes a column by passing column name in the pop method. So here, see, in the df, what we were doing, Madhumita, we were using subscript. Subscript means df and a square bracket. This is like a subscript. But when you are saying method, so in Python, method is defined using like dot. You write method how? We write na when you have to make a triangle, suppose there's a method, so we use def and all that. So same way here you will write df dot pop. That's all. Only dot will come instead of a space and this way. So it's just the way of writing. That's all. No hashtag. It's a command. Yeah, df dot pop, and again the same thing. In the square bracket, or you can just put a normal bracket also. You can put list 2 because list 3 is already deleted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. List 3 is already deleted. So that means quotes. List 2 should be in quotes. Now try. Yes, it did. Okay, so two things you have to remember. Subscript will take the square bracket thing, and pop will take the normal parenthesis. And pop will be like a method. That means it will take df dot pop. Else that one will take df space whatever.
Okay. Ma'am,
Right?
so what's the difference between del and pop?
Okay. Pop, which you are talking about, no, it deletes the value from the list. Okay. What do you mean by value from the list? You will say, see, ma'am, I can see the full list is deleted. That is fine. But we are actually deleting the value. Value means 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. That is what is being removed by a pop. Okay. But when I say del will not remove, list. I mean, not remove the one by one value. It will actually remove the full column. It will actually, if you talk about del is removing list 3. So whatever values come inside list 3, it will be deleted automatically. And pop is deleting only values.
The values.
So automatically, so that's the basic difference. Or in other way, when you learn about, oops concept and all, it is said that pop is the method. So it will return something. It will return the object. But del will not return the object. So although you haven't learned about oops, so that's what I made it more simpler for you that way. But that's what the crux is about. So if you want, you can write this definition. First of all, let's write del and pop definition. Otherwise, you will get okay. So in del, you will write. We can simply put hashtag. We can simply delete a column. We can simply delete a column by passing column name in subscript with the df. So subscript means df and the list name, like that.
Okay. Yeah.
And for pop you will write we can simply delete a column by passing column name in pop method. Actually, you should remember this oops concept, because in oops, method and all this comes. Since you haven't learned it, that's why you're getting a little bit confused. But that's okay, not a problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you wanted to write the differences, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. One more thing I wanted to give it to you is that the one which I explained it to you. Yeah. Got it. So this is the basic difference. Like in case it comes in exam, you can write it this way. I think 2 things are more than enough for your grade. Not go into lot of details. Right? Because the problem is here the concept comes of oops. And okay, let's not get into too much detail. I think this is enough for the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo. The third one is drop. Okay. So drop, what it does is drop can be dropped. You are dropping something. Okay. So dropping means column wise, like vertically, or dropping means horizontally, like going x-axis that way. Okay, so basically when x is equal to 1, that means you are deleting a column. Yeah, so you can write drop x is equal to 1 to delete data column wise. To delete data column wise. Same way you can write x is equal to 0 to delete data row wise. Okay, so let's do this. We'll do one example. Import pandas as PD, create one series, put it into a data frame. This much you do. Yes, Madhumita, what happened?
Yeah, doing.
Yes.
Ma'am, how many numbers?
Any numbers you can take, 5, 6. Okay, put it into a data frame now.
Period data frame and then the numbers. Yeah. Ma'am, we write the same.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Series. That's the reason we've created series, right? If you had to write it here, what is the point of creating line number 3? Just put series. That's all.
Okay.
No, remove square bracket. Only series, right?
Yeah.
That's all.
Oh,
Now
on the
print.
ones.
Print. Yeah. Okay, if I write plain df, will it print? Or print df only you have to write?
Print df only.
Okay, let's write df and see.
Df s.
That's all. Only df. No print, nothing.
Okay.
No print, nothing.
Okay, no print. Fine.
Only df, plain df.
Oh, it still shows.
Yes.
Okay.
So Madhumita, even if you write df or you write print df, both commands will work.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So this worked, but what I want, I don't like this 0 column, right? That's not my favorite. Can you rename this list?
Okay.
Not rename the list, actually rename the column. I've already given you the name of the list, name of the column. That's okay. Okay, how did we renamed it? So we are revising also. Last class, whatever we did, we are doing the revision also.
Yeah.
Yes. How do you rename? What we did?
We did.
You can see, you can scroll up and see also. How did we do it?
Yeah, ma'am.
See?
DF columns. Yeah.
Exactly. Hmm.
Ma'am, DF.
Any list name, anything you can give. Hmm.
Ma'am, DF dot columns or only DF?
Check. You have the code with you. It's not the exam. See, if I tell you, you will not remember. If you will search on your own, you will remember. Okay.
Yeah.
See, what
Oh,
is the mistake you did?
yeah.
First of all, code. Secondly, there will be no parenthesis. Okay. Only the square brackets. Yes. See, whenever list and all things come now, so write it. Okay. Now run.
Oh, the list name is wrong.
Check once again. Go up. Again, something is missing.
DF dot
What is
column.
missing?
Oh, is equal to.
Exactly. Because you are renaming, right?
Yeah.
So you will have to tell कि this is equal to list one. You are making Jupyter or Python understand क्योंकि this has to be renamed as list. Okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, you've renamed it. Can you make another list with any value? How do we add another row? Adding another row to this. Come on. No? Okay, I'll tell you. Very simple. DF list 2. DF list 2, like subscript you have to write. DF square bracket codes list 2 equal to whatever value you have to give. 50, 80, 100. No, no, no. After the square brackets. Equal to should be after your square brackets, not inside. Yes. Print any value you can give, 100, 50, 60, whatever.
Ma'am, there's quotes.
No, only one value. You remember constant value, new list will be added.
Yeah.
Run, click on run. Print first, print DF and then, or just DF and then. See, another list with a constant number 100 has been added. Yes?
Yeah.
Clear now? Okay. So this was last class revision. Now comes today's class. That is when I was saying you have to drop one column. So can you drop one column, that is list 2, the one which you've created just now? Can you drop it? Now I don't want to delete, I don't want to pop. Now I want to drop.
Yeah.
So what will I make? I will make one data frame. You can put df1 or whatever you want, equal to df dot drop. df dot drop. So pop and drop will come with dot. Okay, remember this. Open the parenthesis. In this you will write what you want to delete. You want to delete list 2, right? So
Yeah.
in quotes you will write list 2. No square bracket. No square bracket. List 2. And if you don't write anything, by default row will be like by default axis 0 is considered. But now comma axis equal to 1. Axis equal to 1 means I want to drop the data how column wise. Now print df1 or put df1. Now run. See, list 2 is deleted.
Deleted. Yeah.
Same, I want to delete the last row. The last row.
Oh, mom, you mean the 5th one, right?
What?
You mean the 5th one, right?
The 5th one. Yeah. How we'll do it? Try. Try with
is equal to 0, right? So you don't have
yes.
to just list.
Yes. Try. Once you try, otherwise I'll tell. Okay, df2, make it df2. Then what will be the command? Just now you learned df dot drop. Okay, which list? Is there a list 2 here?
No, it's not. It's just
so which list is there? That list name you will write, and you will put axis is what?
0.
And then print. Yes,
Mom, you don't have to write axis is equal to 0.
Oh, is it? Okay, let's remove and see it. Without writing also, let's see it. Now run.
Wait, list not found in axis.
Okay. Then what happened? What is one thing which is missing here? Okay, I will tell you. Whenever you want to remove it, not remove it actually, let's use the correct word, drop it. Now you have to drop row wise. Suppose there is only one column, then if you write list, that means whole columns will be deleted, right? So you have to specify which rows we have to delete. So here you have to mention the indexes of it. So instead of list, what will come? Index.
Index. Okay.
Yes. So now you will write, no quotes, just a simple index. Index equal to square bracket. Always index is written in a square bracket. What all index you want to remove? Say 3 and 4. Or maybe you just now asked me, ma'am, 5th row. So you can just write 5. Or maybe if you want to put first and second. So whichever indexes you want, you can put their names.
Okay.
Comma after the square bracket, axis equal to 0.
Yeah.
Now run. Okay. What did you see? The 5th row has been dropped.
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of row number 5, can you remove second and third and show it to me?
Yeah.
Now run. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes.
So this is the basic difference. That means you are deleting the data row wise with the given index.
Yeah.
That is where people make mistakes.
Yeah.
Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes.
Okay. So I think adding and deleting and renaming of the list and columns are done.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will start off with accessing the data frame through lock and ilock method or using the indexing labels, right?
Yeah.
So what do you mean by lock and ilock? What were these, Madhumita? Lock and ilock were what?
Yeah, ma'am. Lock was the label based indexing and ilock was integer based.
Super. So that's what we will do using the data frames, different data sets, and we will start off doing all those things. So you have already used this function before also, but since it is there in your tutorial, so we'll do few of the examples.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first example, you will make one dictionary, and you can put, results of some company or whatever you want to. So
Okay.
you'll write import pandas as PD. So basically I want you to make three companies list, or you can make your favorite, whatever you like. And in that I need Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 results. So you can make it for a match or whatever. 2 times import pandas as PD. Why so?
Oh, sorry.
Why to write extra?
Ma'am, we have to create a dictionary, right?
Yes.
So, list or dictionary?
Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Okay, I'll tell you. Let's put runs equal to. So I've just given a random name. You can put any name, whatever you like. Runs equal to curly bracket on. In quotes, you will write TCS.
TCS.
Yes. Okay. Colon. No, after these quotes. After the quotes. Colon. Another curly bracket on. No. No. This is the final curly bracket, yeah, inside this. Colon, another curly bracket on. Yeah. Okay, in this you will write in quotes Q1, QTR1, Q1, colon 2500, comma, Q2, in quotes, colon 2000, Q3, 3000, Q3, 3. No, Q3 should be inside. Okay, comma Q4, 2000 again. Colon 2000. Okay, come out of the first curly bracket, comma, first curly bracket, comma, go to the next line, press enter, go to the next line, press enter first. Yeah, press enter, enter. This curly bracket, we'll close it later. Enter, enter, enter. Yeah, leave it at the back. So it's easier for you.
Yeah.
Now come back again to this, press enter, and now write in quotes Wipro or any other company, whichever you like. Okay. Colon, make another dictionary, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. You can put the values according to you. Same way. And same way, make for another company, that is L&T or whatever.
Mom,
Just
the
change
values
few.
have to
Yeah.
be different.
What?
Like the values have to be different, right?
Yes, values you can change it. Why 2 curly brackets? You can remove this one, the second curly bracket not needed. Yeah. Okay. And third company, any company, Infosys, L&T, whatever you want.
Okay. I'm just spelling right.
Yeah, yeah. Wipro starts with W, but that's okay.
I don't know much about. Yeah.
No problem. That's okay. Change some values for quarter 1, quarter 2, and all. Okay. Now you can bring that one curly bracket, we took it down now, that you can close it. Yeah. Bring it back, or you can close here and remove the last one, whatever you want to do. Remove this one. Okay. So this is your dictionary created. Now what I wanted you to put this into a data frame. Dictionary we've already created.
Yeah.
Now I want it to be, because if you print runs, it will come like in the dictionary format, key value pair. If you want, you can click, write print runs and see the difference also. So since we have less time and we are not focused on that, we'll quickly write here. pd.dataframe, and what will you write inside this? Runs.
Runs, yeah.
And print. Print or directly df, whatever you want to write, and see how your dictionary, or sorry, data frame looks like.
Yeah.
So can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So we've created a data frame of 3 companies which has different quarterly results.
Yeah.
Now comes your work of lock and iLock. I want to access the data row wise. Row wise means I want to get the detail of a single row. How will you do that? Single row. Print.
Print. Like, ma'am, is it like
Df.
for quarterly or is it like company wise?
Anything, any quarter you can take. You can say, okay, quarter 4, quarter 3, any quarter, any one quarter. I want to access a single row, say quarter 3. Print, same thing it will come. What was the command for lock?
Print lock.
No.
Data.
df.log. See, we are working with data frames. Whatever will come, always remember, this is a cheat sheet I'm giving you. df.log, this thing pop, df.drop, df this. So don't forget your df.
Yes.
df is your dear friend. Okay. So this is a simple trick I have given you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And location you write in a square. Very
right.
good. Square bracket. Inside this, what I said, which quarter, which row I want. Quarter 3. It's like index.
3. Fine.
You were dropping that index, dropping that row. Same way, we were writing index. Here, index is quarter 3. It is exactly the same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Comma, colon. Only the difference is about colon. That's all. But madam, print has to be written in. Yeah, so before df parenthesis, after square bracket. Yeah, print cannot be written like this, right? Yeah. Good. Close the, yeah. Now run.
Yeah.
What happened?
Mom, so if it's colon, like it displays like.
Displays like that, but can you see TCS third quarter only it gave the result? See,
Yeah.
3000. Wipro third quarter only it gave the result, 2800. Infosys third quarter it gave 2950. Yes?
Yeah.
Suppose I want to access multiple rows. Suppose I want quarter 2 and quarter 4. Then?
Mom, so wait, quarter 2, comma quarter 4.
Superb. Can you write and show it to me?
Yeah. Okay, let me just copy this. Mom, it's right.
Run. What happened?
There are too many indexes.
That means? Come on.
Mom, is it the problem with the colon or something?
Yes, comma will not come, colon will come. Not here. The quarter 2 and quarter 4, na? There colon will come.
Oh, yeah. Let's say that.
That's the only difference. In index, you write comma. In this, you will write
colon.
So see, all 3 rows, you can see accessing multiple columns, multiple rows. Sorry.
Yeah.
Same thing, if I want to access a single column, only TCS I want to see. That's my favorite. You did it for rows right now. Now if I want only columns. Only columns.
Mom, so in brackets you write TCS.
Very good.
Yeah.
Single column I want to access.
Okay.
And then after TCS, what will you do?
Play that column. So. Mom, do you give access or something in this?
Nothing.
Comma colon.
Okay, comma colon. Okay, let's run and see this. What happened?
It's the key error. TCS.
Okay. So basically you wrote it correctly. The only difference is replace TCS and colon. When you are working with columns, colon will come first and the name will come later on. And when you are doing it with rows, colon will come after the name. No double quotes. How come double quotes in colon?
Yeah,
No double quotes.
I'll do.
That's all. That's the basic difference.
Okay, ma'am.
See?
Yeah.
Only TCS it is displaying. Right?
Yeah.
Now understood basic difference between the two?
Yeah, ma'am. So for colon, for column wise, the colon comes first.
Yes.
Okay.
And row wise, colon comes last.
Last. Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me the access to multiple columns, namely TCS and Wipro?
TCS and Wipro. Okay. Wait. Ma'am, is it right?
Run. Even ma'am doesn't know, We are experimenting, learning. Come on.
Yes. Okay.
You know what's the mistake?
Wait.
Index we
Yeah.
use comma. We have to use a colon between the
I was
two.
literally thinking to give colon.
Exactly. These are very simple, thin line of differences. And Madhumita, temptedly, I do this. You know why? Because if I tell students, they never remember. But when they do mistake and learn it, no, they are in their head always.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's the reason. Got it? So I'll
Yes.
stop here. I think that's enough. Thank you so much.